don't have a credit score? What should I do?
So not having a credit score obviously is a problem. So you need to go and get some credit. A lot of folks use a secured credit card in order to start to build their credit profile.
So a secured credit card, you get the credit card and then you put money into the credit card, and that helps you, by using that, it helps you build credit?
Right, most credit card companies aren't going to just give you a standard credit card if you have no history. So they'll have you put a deposit of, say, $300 on the bank with them. Then you use the credit card. That $300 doesn't get used to pay your monthly payments or anything. It's security for the bank that should you default on the card, they're still secure and they have their money. So it's just like a regular credit card, except the bank holds some money on deposit to secure that you ultimately pay that debt.
Okay, excellent.